Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Roy. This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and today I'm gonna tell about a new building which is will be unlocked after you complete the Curse Research Lab level 30 upgrade. Okay, so you'll need to upgrade these buildings so you can get a new building which is called as Altar. As you can see, we have unlocked it, and now I will place it. It's called as altar, which is gonna be strengthen your desert supporters. Okay, so this is for the desert supporters strength and damage upgrade. So we're gonna place it here, and this is likely a seasonal building. So you can see it's from level 1, and it says this building will disappear when the season ends, as I said, and units take reduced damage from death shockwave, plus power will be increased, protectors HP will be boosted, and then there will be attack and defense boost also. This is level 1. You can upgrade till level 30, and the power HP attack defense will be boost for protector. So you can upgrade it after you upgrade all other buildings, as you just need level 30 curse research lab. And you can also upgrade the protectors field so you can acquire more protectors, as it will be not seasonal building. As you can see, this is an altar building which is gonna be helpful when you use the protectors for rallying on different zombies or in different events. So you'll need like mithril and the stone, sorry, sacred water and mithril for upgrading this building as usual. Okay, so this is gonna be helpful if you use protectors more often. So you can upgrade till 30 level or something if you like to use the protectors. So I will suggest to upgrade that if only you are to the protectors, then avoid upgrading the building. That's it for today, guys. I'm gonna upgrade this with my arms race. Right now I'm not upgrading it. I will upgrade the altar when the arm race comes with vs day 4 points. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helps you. Then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates on season 3 and last war. Thank you.